guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken tikka masala. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have about 2 pounds of chicken here, and to this you want to add about 4 tablespoons of yogurt. And this is plain yogurt. You want to add 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, half a teaspoon of gram masala, a half a freshly squeezed lemon, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Now you want to mix this together. Now you want to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I have a pan heating up on medium heat right now, and I'm just going to add some oil into my pan. Now you want to take that chicken that you marinated and put it into your pan. Now you want to fry these up until they're golden brown. Okay guys, now we're going to flip these over. And we're going to let these brown on this side until they're totally done. Okay guys, so these are now brown on the other side, so I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Okay guys, so you want to put your pan back on medium heat after washing it out and add some oil into your pan. Now you want to add about 1.5 cups of onions. And you want to cook these onions down until they turn golden brown. Okay guys, now you want to pour in 1 cup of tomato puree. And now you want to turn your flame to low. And to this you want to add 2 teaspoons of your garlic and ginger puree. And you want to cook this all the way down until it becomes thick. Okay guys, now you want to add in a teaspoon of your red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a teaspoon of ground coriander. And you want to mix this up. Now you want to give it a taste to see if you need to add any more salt in it. And I'm going to add about a teaspoonful of salt. Now you want to continue to let this cook down. Alright guys, so now you want to add your chicken back in. and you want to mix everything together. And now you want to add in 1.5 cups of water. And you want to mix that up. And you want to put a top on and cook it on low heat for about 10 minutes. Now you want to add about a teaspoonful of ground masala. Give that a mix. And you want to continue to cook this on low for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. So you want to stir this up just to make sure that nothing is burning at the bottom. And now you want to add in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And you want to cook this for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 minutes. And I'm going to give that another stir. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek leaves. And you just want to stir that up. And you're going to want this to cook down for another 2 minutes. Okay guys, so this is done, and as you can see, when you pull the spatula back in your pan, you see that nice line. So it's nice, it's thick, but it's not too thick. So this is at the perfect consistency right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and plate it up so you guys can see what it looks like. All right guys, so I'm just gonna spoon that in. Maybe just stick a little garnish on the side like that, just for a pop of color. And there you go guys, that is how I make my chicken tikka masala. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.